Hello. Good morning. How are you, Zain, Shasna, and Sarvesh? How are you all doing? Are you all doing your work? Feeling bored at home? Very, very bored? Me too. What to do? I can't reach you, you can't reach me. This is the only way where we can talk to each other, right? I mean, talk to each other, I can say, I'm talking to you, but I can't hear you. Okay, let's go with today's class. Last time, did you all practice writing the circles? Are you able to get them? Little eggs. Yeah? You're able to do it? Good. And how about a sensorial? Smallest. Are you able to color the smallest? The smallest balloon? Great. Now we'll go for today's lesson. Okay? Today's pattern writing is called hump. What is it? Hump. Okay. I'll show you how it is done. Okay? See, hump starts from down. You start right from here, from this black dot, from below. Okay? And then you go up and come down. Okay? I'll take another color. Let's try it one more time. Start from down, go all the way up, turn and come down. Go all the way up, curve and come down. Go all the way up, curve and come down. Okay? Where have you seen this hump? See, I've drawn here a mountain. Can you see a mountain? You see how the train is going over it? Choo-choo train is coming along, coming through the town. Actually, it is coming through the mountain. Choo-choo train is coming along, coming through the town. Chook, 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 chook. It's coming through the mountain. It's going over the mountain like this, like a hump. It goes over the hump. So this line going all the way up, curving and coming down is called a hump. Where have you seen such humps? Have you seen it in the rainbow? Yes. The 7-colored rainbow, you go up, curve and come down. If you want to draw it. Then, how about mommy's handbag? Have you seen the strap which she is holding? It has a hump. Where else have you seen it? Have you seen it on a camel's back? Yes, if you see the camel also has a hump on its back. Then, what about a bucket? When you are going to the washroom, have you seen the bucket? Yes. And then the bucket has a handle which has a hump. Okay, so this is the pattern that you will be doing today. And how will you do it? Start from below, go all the way up, curve and come down. Hump. Okay, now I'll show you in your book where to write it. Come. See, I have a basket also which has that hump on it. You remember this basket? Yes, you used to work with domestic animals and wild animals or farm animals, right? Yeah, the same basket only. Okay? It has a handle which is like a hump. Hump. Come, let's see what's there in your book. In your pattern writing book, okay, the white color book, you are going to write here, okay. Start from the dot which is shown here down, okay, right below here. This time, all the time I tell you start from up. Now I'm telling you start from down. And then go and curve and come down slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Do it slowly. You'll get a very neat hump. Like how this train is going very slowly and coming down. You will also have to go like the choo-choo train. Slowly you go and come down. Will you all try it? After you have written 2 lines, the 3rd line you will have to draw it on your own. Okay. Now let's go to the sensorial book. See, I have kept few pink tower cubes here. Can you see that? You remember this material? pink tower. Shasna and Sarvesh has not seen it, but Zain would have seen the pink tower. Okay, the pink tower. Have you seen the cubes in the pink tower? Yeah. So, can you tell me how is this? It is small, right? Yes, you already did smallest also. So, you know what is small. How about this? This is big and large, right? How about this? This is also bigger. Now you have to tell me which is the largest of this. Largest. Largest means the biggest. Can you show me which is the largest of all this? This one. Very good. Now I am going to bring in one more. You said this is the largest? Okay. Now you tell me which is the largest. This one? You just now told this is largest. Is this the largest? No. This one. Yes, you can see it. This is the largest. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. Shall I show you one more? How about this one? Show me. Tell me. Which is the largest? Which is the largest? You told this is largest. Now which is the largest? This one? Yes. This is bigger. Largest. This is the biggest or the largest. So in your workbook, now we are going to find out which is the largest. And when you are going to color, you have to say largest. Okay? Come. Let's see what's in your workbook. In your sensorial workbook, turn to page number 19. Okay? There you will find these pictures of hats and houses. Let's now look at the hats. There are so many hats in this, right? Now take a good look at this box in which there are hats and tell me which is the largest hat or the biggest, the largest hat. This one or this one? Which one do you think is the largest hat? This one, right? Yes. So color the largest hat. You can use your favorite colors. You can use two colors also. There's a band here. So just color only the largest hat and you say the largest hat. You have to say the largest hat. Then we'll go into the picture of houses. So many houses here. Which one do you think is the largest? Yeah, you can see that very clearly. The one right in the middle. Nadula irukku illaya, this one. This is the largest house. You're going to color it beautifully. You're going to give it beautiful windows and doors and a chimney and a nice roof, and you're going to say the largest house. Turn to the next page, page number 20, and we're going to look for the largest top. Top means bambaram. Okay? It's a toy which is used for spinning. Okay? Some of you might have a mechanized top. Some of you will have the wooden top which they spin with a thread. You need very good trick to do that. Okay? And good knack you must have to let it spin. Now can you tell me which one is the largest of all these? Which is the largest top? Yes, this one. You're right. Let's go to the tomatoes. Can you show me which is the largest tomato? This one? No, definitely not. This one is the largest. You can see that, right? Yes, you're going to color it. Please give a red color to the tomato. This you can't give any other color. Have you seen any other color? Maybe a little green you would have seen. You would have not seen a blue color tomato, right? No. So please give red for the tomato. The largest tomato. So that is all for today, children. You are going to draw the hump in your pattern writing book. And in your sensorial book, you are going to look out for the largest object. Okay, so when you are writing the pattern writing, you can even sing the song. Choo choo train is coming along, coming through the town. So very slowly you can sing and do it. Don't be in a hurry to do it. Try and make a very beautiful hum. Okay, and also look out for more hums. I gave you some examples here, like the bucket handle, the rainbow, or the basket's handle, and I told the camel's hum, right? You please tell me where all you see the hum. You can see better than Miss Juno and then your mommy and daddy. You can spot the hum. Look out for the hum. Okay, see you again in another video. Until then, tata.